So when I first started thinking of ideas for this TinkerCad project, I kind of had a hard time brainstorming and figuring something out. So I started asking other people to see like, what they would do for this project if they were to 3D print something. And I asked my girlfriend what she would 3D print, and she said a succulent plant for decoration, and that did not interest me whatsoever. So I kind of went the route of something practical, something I could use every day that works, like the blender bottle ball, that example that you showed us from the previous Elon student. That was pretty interesting. So I looked around my apartment and I thought of making a wine glass, like a coffee cup or a mug or something like that. But then I saw on the top of my water bottle, the cap and stuff, was something that I obviously one broke a little while ago, but is intricate and like has like different shapes and things that would if I were to print it out, solve my problem of my top. So that was kind of my inspiration behind that. Something I could use every day, something practical. Yep.